Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking the basics that actually unblock the feature. First, make sure Windows is fully updated and then restart, because many permission flags refresh on boot. Next, sign into the same Microsoft account you use for Xbox services so entitlement checks pass. Once done, open Settings, go to Gaming, then Xbox Game Bar and flip it on. If the toggle is missing, keep this session open. You'll need these verified before adjusting app permissions and services in the next step. Now you focus on permissions and core services because the game bar depends on them. Enable background app access and allow microphone and keyboard input in privacy so overlays can capture input. Then open Services, MSC or Task Manager, and ensure Xbox-related services are running. Restart them if they're stopped. Once services are healthy, go to Settings Apps Optional Features, find Xbox Game Bar, and choose Repair or Uninstall, then Reinstall. This refreshes the package identity and often finish by clearing residual issues and validating system integrity. Reset the Xbox Game Bar app under Settings Apps to remove corrupted data, or run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter to auto-fix registration problems. Make sure your GPU drivers are current and that the game isn't forcing exclusive full-screen mode, which disables overlays. Switch to borderless windowed if needed. If the control remains grayed out, create a new Windows user to test account corruption and run sfc/scano to repair system files. One key tip: try a full reboot after each major change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.